Hi everyone. So today I thought I'd try a little hack, and that's using circles to create a rose. So I've just taken 180 gram crepe paper from Carto Tecnica Rossi. This is a pale pink and an ivory shade. I've just cut a few random circles and I've attached it to a polystyrene ball, which I have shaped into a bit of a teardrop shape. And I'm just attaching the circles one at a time until I get a little further along, and then I use the skewer just to flute the edges of the petals a little bit. But the result was quite surprising, and it was quite an interesting way to create a rose. Very simplistic, but I think the result was actually quite beautiful. Tell me what you think.